Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just to take you on a short walk around tour of a new motorhome that we've got in our used range, and that being the Auto Trail Imala 625 on a 2020 plate. Just a touch over 2,000 miles on the clock with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's a 4-berth, 2 travelling seat belts motorhome in absolutely fantastic condition. So here's a good look at that particular motorhome, as you see with the overcab up the top there, and in fantastic condition. And there is the registration plate, clearly showing it's on a 20 plate. As you come down the side of this motorhome, you've got some of your basic amenities such as your gas, your toilet and side access hatch, and also water connection points and water drain down points as well. The motorhome doesn't come fitted with a bike rack, however, there is the 2-lay bike rack fixings on the back of the motorhome. So should you wish to put a bike rack on it, that can certainly be something that could be added as an addition. So wandering around this side of the motorhome as well to give you a good feel and a good understanding for what you have over on this side. So further access hatch again here with some further water points. Also an Imala 625 branded there for the wind out Fiamma canopy that you see on the side. So let's have a look on in. So you've got your electric pop out step down the bottom there. I've just popped another plastic step to make a nice easy transition into the motorhome. So one of the great features of this motorhome is this wonderfully spacious rear shaped lounge. And it's a U shape, so you can see here plenty of space around here, converting into a very, very generous sized double bed. You've got an omnivent positioned in the kitchen area with an easy usable height microwave positioned above 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, and also plenty of further amenities in your full working sink shown here, and also some further sockets that we see on the side here with a pop-up on the sockets there. Nice medium-sized under-counter fridge that you see located there. And as we see at the top here, this is the secondary bed area. So the ladder is positioned there, which clear clips onto here, so you can climb up into there. So this sliding nicely forwards, as you see, right to the edge there with a ladder clip on. So you've got a nice generous sized double bed at the top there. 6-speed manual gearbox and your control centre at the front here. And as I mentioned, a 20 plate with just over 2,000 miles on the clock. So very, very low mileage in absolutely fantastic condition. As we go to the centre of this motorhome, you've got a very generous sized shower area and toilet area. So toilet there with your sink and, as I say, hanging rail in the shower area, and also very spacious individual shower cubicle. Further storage of the motorhome in the central section here, with a hanging rail and also a max view for the television side of things located in the cupboard there. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding of this motorhome. So it's a Truma blown air heating system with your main control panel above the habitation door. But as I say, in fantastic condition on a 2020 plate. So a real bargain, certainly not to be missed. If you've got any queries or questions about this motorhome, please feel free to get in contact with our friendly sales team, and they will be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the short and brief walk around tour to give you a little bit of information, a little bit of flavour what this motorhome's all about. You see at the front there, you've got your single captain's chair, so your 2 travelling seat belts only in this motorhome, but it is a 4-berth. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and hopefully we may be able to do some business together in the future. We'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.